In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Databar Google Chrome extension in order to gather data from any web page. First, you'll need to install the Databar Google Chrome extension. The link is in the description. Once you've set it up, you'll see the Databar logo pop up at the top of your Google Chrome browser. In this example, we'll be trying to get the names, descriptions, and locations of each company in the Y Combinator portfolio. To get started, click on the Databar logo and select Start Scraping. Once you select Start Scraping, you'll see the control panel pop up. You can move it around, close it, or get help by clicking on the question mark. To add new column values to our scrape, we simply need to click on Add New Column and then select the value that we want to gather. So first, let's go for the company name. We'll click on Airbnb. And we see that all companies in this list are now highlighted to show which values we'll be gathering. We have 1,000 items selected, so let's save this and rename this column to company name. Next, we want to get the locations of each company. So let's add another column, hover over the locations, and click on the check mark. Finally, let's get the descriptions of each company in this list. So we'll add another column, click on the descriptions, save, and let's rename this to description. Once we're done with our data collection and mapping process, we can click on View Results to view the data and download it. And a new table will show up showing all of the data that we've gathered from the web page. In this case, we have 1,000 companies, which we can download or send to Databar for additional enrichment. To send your data to the Databar workspace, simply click on Send to Databar. Head over to your workspace. Click on Integrations. Copy your API key and paste it into the API key field. Once we've done that, we can click on Authorize. And a new table will be created in Databar, displaying all of the data that we just gathered. But our table currently only contains the company names, locations, and descriptions. So let's say we want to know how much each one of these companies has raised in the past. To do that, we can add an enrichment by clicking on Data and Enrichments, selecting Add a New Enrichment, and then scrolling all the way down to Enrich Organization Data by Name. Let's map this enrichment to the company name column. Let's gather their investment value, their Twitter link, revenue, competitors, logos, and founding date. Once we add the enrichment to the table, we'll see it pop up to the right of our data. And to launch it, we can simply click the lightning bolt one by one, or run each one by clicking on the three dots, enrichment, and run all rows in this column. Now we can see each one of these companies' names, locations, descriptions, as well as how much they've raised, their Twitter URI, revenues, and even their logos, which we can display directly in this table. If we change the column type to image, we can now display this value. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@databar.ai or ping us in the Discord community.